The automated setup in Nanosurf Studio. Nanosurf Studio has a very nice feature that allows you to do an automated setup with just one click of a button. When I bring the mouse over this button, I see the tooltip, align lasers, compensates crosstalk, and calibrates cantilever. Let me explain these steps. So first it does the laser alignment. That means it aligns two lasers, the readout laser and the clean drive excitation laser, on the cantilever. Then it centers the reflected beam spot from the readout laser on the detector and performs the optics optimizations, mainly optimizing the beam shifter and the laser focus. It then does a crosstalk compensation, which can otherwise be done by clicking this button. And after all of that, it performs a thermal tune, in which it obtains the thermal vibration spectrum of the cantilever and calculates the deflection sensitivity and the spring constant for the specific cantilever based on the Seda method, and applies this calibration to all subsequent measurements. Let's see how that works. First, you need to choose the correct cantilever, DIN 190 in this case. You choose air or liquid as your environment, then click on Setup and watch what happens. First, it does the laser alignment by finding the readout laser position on the cantilever. Then it performs a thermal tune to verify the spot is on the cantilever. It centers the spot on the detector and optimizes the readout laser alignment. After that is completed, it optimizes the clean drive laser alignment to maximize the efficiency of the excitation. And once this is done, it performs the optics in the background. Now it performs the thermal tune to do the calibration. It finds the deflection sensitivity and the spring constant. Finally, when the calibration is completed, it applies the calculated parameters. And here you can see the status says Auto Setup finished successfully. You're ready for the measurement.